Market caution amid record FPI outflows and spiking volatility. Metal stocks shine, GSFC plummets, JK Tyres surges. This morning, there is one good news and one bad news. First, the bad news. Minutes from 30th April to 1st May FOMC meeting showed that Federal Reserve officials indicated a willingness to raise interest rates again if inflation didn't cool off further. The policymakers noted that they continued to expect that inflation would return to 2% over the medium term, although recent data had not increased their confidence in progress toward the target. Now, the big positive catalyst. WTI crude oil prices have fallen below $77.50 per barrel due to concerns over continued high interest rates by the Federal Reserve. Bottom line, we suspect Nifty buyers may hit the pause button. Bullish traders are likely to regroup only on any sharp corrective declines. The Gyan mantra is to stay nimble. Global cues are negative as Wall Street dropped after hawkish FOMC minutes. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 686 crores. DIIs were net buyers to the tune of Rs 967 crores. Sentiments for the day is likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral negative. Nifty's technicals are indicating massive consolidation day. FOMC month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,000 to 23,000 zone. India VIX is trading firm at 21.47 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th May, has spiked towards 1.11 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 29th May, is at 0.75. Nifty outlook, Nifty may receive fresh dubbing. Nifty, CMP to 2598. Support, 22,500 to 22,400. Resistance, 22,750 to 22,850. Range, 22,500 to 22,800. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 47782. Support, 47,600 to 47,500. Resistance, 48,100 to 48,300. Range, 47,600 to 48,300. Bias, sideways to bullish. Caution should be the buzzword amidst record FPI outflows and spiking India VIX. India VIX, or Volatility Index, which measures the market's expectation of volatility in the next 30 days, has shot higher above 21 levels, indicating heightened volatility ahead. In yesterday's trade, BAIL dropped 5% after a weak set of Q4 numbers. Despite surging power demand, the company's top-line growth was uninspiring. JK Tyres was star outperformer, up 5% after reporting cool 56% YoY jump in net profit. The positive takeaway was that the solid profit figures were despite rising rubber prices, a major raw material for tire firms. Grasim Q4 net profit remained flat at 1,370 crore rupees. Gujarat State Fertilizers and Chemicals posted terrible Q4 numbers. Top line was down -18% YoY, bottom line down -89% YoY. Margins came in at just 1.3% versus 13.7% last year. GSFC dropped 8%. Power Grid traded flat after its Q4 net profit fell 3.5% to 4,137 crore rupees, slightly below estimates.